Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check test page on a Epson Stylus SX435W. So, from the main screen of the printer, we use the arrow keys here, take us down and across to setup, which is this icon in the bottom left. So we press OK to go in, and we use right to go along to maintenance, and again, press OK. The very first option is nozzle check, which is what we're looking for. So we press OK to go into that. Now make sure you've got paper in the printer, press this button to print. This will take just a second. And after just a few seconds, we're given a test page which has the gate here, breaks down black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. As you can see, the black isn't as it should be looking. It should be similar to the colours on the right. So we know there is going to be some cleaning needed. We've got a blockage or a fault with the printhead of the machine. Thankfully, the printer actively asks for if there are any missing segments. So we're going to press OK for yes. And then you get given the option to do a printhead clean directly from the machine, which makes life a lot easier. I'm going to go ahead and do some of these now, hopefully pull that through. But I hope you found this video useful. If you have, do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do give us a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.